Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. Five-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Come by and experience our impeccable service today. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today.